What is going on, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Y'all, we got the OSP dice rubbers now in stock. 3 different colors. Take a little closer look. So these guys right here are very highly sought after, especially for the finesse fishermen. Anyone fishing a lot clearer water, or water really just clear enough to be able to see these. You know, they're not very bold colors like some of the Q bombs where you get dark and chartreuse. Very good contrast. These are very finessey, a lot smaller. These are going to be almost like half an inch on the main body, and then it's also going to be a non-salted plastic, so it's very buoyant, kind of just sits there in the water. A lot of people like fishing this on a drop shot, just a standard straight hook, a Carolina rig. There's many different ways to fish this, but again, you can do a lot of the same things that you do with the Q bomb with this guy right here. In deeper water, a lot of people are using anywhere from a 3/16 to maybe even a 1/4 ounce drop shot for those suspended fish. If you're fishing a lot shallower water and you want to really just barely work this bait, a 1/16 or a 1/8 ounce is going to be extremely good. I have had a lot of success on these guys right here on a drop shot with a size 3 spear point hook. Keep it very finessey, as well as throwing this just kind of weightless up around boat docks, up around laydowns, with a weedless hook. Now, when it comes to the overall durability of these baits, they are very durable. Again, these are the non-salted version, so you're not going to have to worry about the plastic ripping super easy. There are 4 to a pack, so make sure to check them out online. This clear one right here is going to be SR05. I've got another one here. This is going to be 8R03, and then last one's going to be Invincible Shrimp in my hand right here. So don't worry, the shrimp one isn't like super shrimpy. They do have a really good smell to them. They kind of smell like a G-Crack, like that amino SAF scent on them. So make sure to check these out online at lakeprotackle.com. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you over there. Make sure to subscribe and check out our other cool videos going on the channel right now. So winter fishing's right around the corner, y'all. So keep up, and we'll see you next time.